Hello everyone, I hope you are doing great. This is Pradeep Kumar from DeviceBAR. In this video, we will see how to update software online on Nokia 3210 4G feature phone. So let's check it out. Nokia 3210 4G is one of the best feature phones I have used. This is a bit modern with USB Type-C, UPI support, and we also have 4G support for this. And they have also provided option to update the software. Before we proceed further, we have to make sure that we have an active internet connection or mobile data plan. We have enough battery to manage the download and installation. So now let's start. Now take our Nokia 3210 4G phone, go to menu and then go to settings, select this, and here we have to select system, and now we have to go down and select online software update. Select this. It will say checking for updates, and now we get this page. It says update available, data connection will be used for downloading the update and additional cost may apply. So please read all this. They also mention the version number and download file size. So after reading all this, select downloading. It is getting downloaded now. Okay, software update. User data could be erased caused by update purpose. The upgrade will continue about 3 minutes. Blue screen will be shown during the update. Please do not power off or remove battery. Okay, fine. So make sure you have enough battery for this. Let's see what happens. Okay, it says installing. I'm not sure if you can see this. Okay, installing. I will fast forward the video to save you the time. The phone is getting restarted now. We have the HMD logo and Nokia logo. It took around 3 minutes to complete the installation. But after that installing thing, the phone got restarted. We got the HMD logo and stuff. And after that we got the screen. Now here we have to choose the language. I'll go with English. Date and time. Okay. Auto update. Okay. Continue. So that's all. We can go to the settings to confirm whether we have completed the update. We can go to settings, system, online software update. It will check for new updates and it will say your phone is now up to date with the latest software. That's all. Also, after the software update, all the settings got reset. So we just have to do them manually again. So all the options I configured before are gone. So we just have to do them once again. These are the steps to update software online on Nokia 3210 4G feature phone. Thanks for watching this video. Do kindly share your questions and thoughts in the comment section. Please do subscribe if you find this video helpful. Have a wonderful day and night.